the roof underlayment lap thumb rule is the simple overlap guideline that prevents water from breaching the layers beneath shingles. For a typical installation, use a side lap of 2 to 4 inches and an end lap of 6 to 8 inches for felt underlayment, and increase those laps on steep slopes or in hurricane-prone areas for added protection. When using modern synthetic underlayment, follow the manufacturer instructions because some products require wider laps or sealed adhesive edges to achieve the stated performance. Start each row by aligning the lower edge with a chalk line and maintain consistent overlap as you work up the deck to avoid uneven thickness that can telegraph through shingles. Tighten fasteners so the underlayment lies flat without puckering while avoiding overdriven fasteners that tear or compress the material. At eaves and rakes, extend underlayment over drip edge or fascia, where recommended, and lap flashing materials over the underlayment rather than under it when local practice dictates to direct water outboard. For valleys, consider a separate valley liner or increase end laps and apply with a smooth, crease-free technique to prevent channels that can wick water laterally. Common mistakes include using minimal laps because of material cost or time pressure, which can allow wind-driven rain to reach the deck. Fix this by following the 2 to 4 inch side lap and 6 to 8 inch end lap baseline and increase as conditions demand. Another issue is ignoring manufacturer instructions for synthetic underlayments, which can specify sealed overlaps or different fastener patterns. Read and follow the technical data sheet and incorporate any adhesive or cap fasteners required. A third frequent problem is uneven alignment and puckers during installation, which create low spots and potential leak pathways. Prevent this by snapping guidelines, smoothing each sheet as you fasten it, and correcting any displaced material before installing the next course. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place for project-focused discussion where we and our members share practical advice on roof underlayment techniques. We help contractors find work by giving them a public profile and a forum to answer homeowner questions and display their experience.